Hi, will cryptocurrency bill be discussed in Parliament in the upcoming monsoon session? As per a money control article, it is unlikely that cryptocurrencies will be banned outright. It may be allowed as a commodity or art, basically a tradable asset. However, government has not listed the cryptocurrency bill in the upcoming monsoon session starting from July 19th. According to the Money Control website, there are two reasons why cryptocurrency bill is not being tabled now in Parliament. Reason number one, obviously, further deliberations are needed. There has to be further deliberations, that is, more discussions between the Ministry of Finance, RBI, which is our central bank, and all the stakeholders involved. Now, who are the stakeholders here? The major investors, crypto exchanges in India, etc. So it seems that some more time is required for the discussions rather than outrightly banning cryptocurrencies. Regulation is the need of the hour, so to speak. The second reason, and the most important reason, is that cryptocurrencies are high on the center's economic agenda as of now. Once significant investments start flowing to cryptocurrencies, that is when the center is likely to consider the bill. However, the general consensus seems to be that cryptocurrencies will not be allowed as money or legal tender. Because a currency is one which has sovereign backing. Money is money because it derives its value from a sovereign fiat, a fiat currency. Cryptocurrency can never be that. So it is interesting to observe what our government would do. According to data from crypto exchanges, approximately 1.45 crore Indians have invested in cryptocurrencies. That's a whopping number, 1.5 crore. So some of you may have already invested and the rest of us would be probably planning to invest. Do it only if you understand how the market works, how cryptocurrency works, how crypto exchange works, and the underlying foundation, how blockchain technology works. Please don't get into trouble by taking advice from some random YouTube channels who have just posted the cryptocurrency that they have sold and the profit that they have booked. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Skillzilla Courses YouTube channel. Lot of interesting insights on finance and especially cryptocurrency and other things would be posted here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you very soon. This is Punarvas Jaikumar from Skillzilla Courses.